In a small garage in Tennessee, an inspired mechanic named Max has taken on a challenge like no other, transforming a rusty 90s pickup into a high-performance beast. His passion isn't just for the power, but the community that backs him. The project has seen ups and downs, with parts that didn't fit and unexpected costs, but Max thrives on the support of fellow enthusiasts, from online forums to local car meets. Each setback fuels his determination, showcasing that failure isn't an end, but a step in the innovation process. When Max finally revs up that engine, it's not just the roar of the truck, it's the spirit of a community innovating together, one build at a time.